Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is my new speaker. It's called the Esonstyle. Esonstyle, all one word. It says Eson here, and in very small print it says style. And it's a standalone speaker, wood grain, well, fake wood grain, has a clock function, has FM, has Bluetooth, has auxiliary inputs, which is what you were hearing a few minutes ago, and it will connect with another speaker like it, or exactly like it. I got this on sale during Prime Week on Amazon for $10. Right now it's $16, but even at $16, I think it's a pretty good bargain. And what I was playing is I was playing YouTube free music via this MP3 player connected through the auxiliary cable that comes with it. And it comes with a USB cable, which you can use to charge the internal battery. It has an internal battery, or run it on USB, and then you don't have to worry about the battery going dead on you. What I use it for is I have a laptop that I use downstairs, and the audio output is pretty low, plus the quality is not very good. I plug this into my laptop, and then I plug this into the laptop to give it power, and then I had a great speaker for listening to things on my laptop. Here's the keys up here for various functions. This is to select the mode, like FM or Bluetooth. This is to decrease the volume, increase the volume, power button, and this is the scan button when you're in FM mode. And it doesn't tell you how many memory locations it has for storage, but I did a scan, and I think it found about 15 stations, so I think it's got plenty of memory for FM. Nice clock, and the clock is projected on this grill, so it's behind the grill. The back here shows you the cables. Here's the auxiliary input. Here's the USB input. And it works really well. I really like it. And it's, it's portable. Let's see, it's about, remember how to use a ruler, about 8 inches by almost 5 inches by about 2.5 inches. Great sound. Let me let you listen a little longer. Turn it back on MP3 player. Volume level. Oops. Auxiliary. Time. Let me change tracks. Lots of bass, lots of bass. I'll stop. It's off. Put it back on. Change track. sounds really good. You can't tell because of my camera can't pick up the audio that great. But this, if you need a speaker, this is a great deal. Right now, like I say, it's on sale for $16. They did have it down to $10 during Prime days. That's it. Like I say, I like this speaker so well, I'm going to put it in my Amazon store so you can get it through my Amazon store by using the link to my store, which is in the description below each of my videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.